Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube in 2023. I'll cover everything from creating a YouTube account to optimizing your video for search. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know to upload a successful video to YouTube. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. The first step is to create a YouTube account. You can do this by going to YouTube, come and clicking on the Sign In button. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Step 2. Upload your video. Once you have a YouTube account, you can start uploading your videos. To do this, click on the Create button and select Video. Then click on the Upload button and select the file you want to upload. Step 3. Optimize your video for search. Once your video is uploaded, you need to optimize it for search. This means adding keywords to your title, description, and tags. When people search for these keywords, your video will show up in the search results. Step 4. Promote your video. Once you've optimized your video for search, you need to promote it. This means sharing it on social media, linking to it from your website, and submitting it to video sharing sites. Step 5. Monetize your video. If you want to make money from your videos, you can monetize them. This means enabling ads on your videos. You can also sell products or services through your videos. That's it. Thank you for watching.